have one last question for Sanford, Hans, if it's okay. Grabe naman. Okay, so I'll keep it pretty simple. Maraming salamat sa ating mga casters. Hindi ko alam bakit taas ng enerhiya po natin ngayon sa San Juan Arena. Kasama natin ngayon, the recent game MVP, Sanford. Congratulations on your grand finals and finally qualifying to EWC. Kumusta ka naman? Anong nararamdaman mo ngayon?
Sobrang saya kasi muna nahirapan kami rin ng team pero kinaya namin mag-qualify sa grand final.
And I think, sorry yan, dito pala ako. I think it's time for us to talk about this last clash. Ano yung nangyayari kasi natambakan kayo kanina early on in game number 4. So let's play this for quite a bit. You knew that the approach was there. Pero ano yung ginawa ninyo para mapalagan yun? What was the comms like?
Last time sabi kasi sobrang nagpapagyan namin sa macro so kailangan namin lumaban nung nakita namin na medyo nagbukas sila ng skill, doon ko nakita yung opening na pwede akong pumasok. So feel ko sinuwerte din ako na nagkumpul-kumpul sila.
Nagkumpul, nag-line up in the words of Hans na literal buong San Juan Arena napatalon ata nung Dark Wave na ginawa dito kanina. So, buong time naman na halatang Onyx din talaga yung nag-receive and in control for majority of the game. Carl, unfortunately, nakita natin siya with a 0-4 stat line.
Right.
How were the comms naman between the team nung nangyayari yung sa inyo?
Yung magulo na kami, talaga na sumisigaw na lang kami lalo Paris pre, Paris. Sumisigaw kami kasi sobrang gusto namin mag-Europe lahat
And the goal is to go to Paris. This was just an incredible opportunity para sa inyo na a chance to ask your thanks para sa lahat ng mga nanonood dito ngayon, whether it's for Onyx, whether it's for Liquid. There's so many people who supported you right from the start na masasabi mo sa kanila.
Sobrang thank you sa Carol Lynn, syempre sa Sonic sa hindi magiging masaya yung series kung wala kayo. Maraming salamat.
Okay. I just have one last question for Sanford, Hans, if it's okay. Grabe naman. Okay, so I'll keep it pretty simple. So we all know there will still be a lower bracket finals tomorrow between Onyx and Falcons. Kung papipiliin ka, sino ang gusto mong makatapat heading into the grand final?